This is a book with a secret compartment. You might be asking yourself, well, why would somebody want to make this? Maybe you want to hide your money, your candy, or other valuable stuff. Whatever the reason, it was actually pretty easy to make. Give me just 3 minutes and I'll show you how I did it. And did you know there's actually more than one secret hidden storage in this video? Check out the next video on the screen to see what you missed. And make sure to subscribe and drop a comment letting me know what I should build next. The crazier the idea, the better.